What pets do you want? Is it a dog or a cat?
I want
I always
cats.
have like millions of cats in my room right now.
A
What pet do
million.
you want?
Come on,
See,
bro.
we have a lot of difference because I don't want cats nor dogs. I want hamster, bro.
I'm traumatized having
A
hamster
hamster
before.
will just die in a fucking random way. I've had this one hamster, right? The hamster broke out of his cage and shit all over the fucking house.
Wait, what?
We got
Hamster
him back
can
and
actually
we put him
poop?
back.
What do you
They're
mean? How can
animals.
they put their
I thought
animal?
after they actually eat, they would probably explode it.
Oh!
Exploded?
Do you study biology?
Explode!
My cousin once had a hamster. Like when I go to her house, like he was crying like fucking hell. I was like, "What's wrong? What did your boyfriend do to you now?" My hamster is getting, aduh bahasanya geprek apa sih?
Squish.
Squished? Squished?
Wow,
Flat?
fuck you.
Flattened?
I was like, "What the fuck is wrong with this thing?" Like, I accidentally sat on it.
No! You fat ass fucking sit on it!
That's fucked up.
It wasn't your
That's
hamster.
fucked up.